channel. So today's video is all about DIY corset belt. From Bollywood beauty Deepika Padukone to Hollywood star Kylie Jenner wore this belt, and guys, you must check them. They look so freaking hot. I mean, just look at them. They just style them with white plain shirt and that's it. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys must know that I uploaded one video on my Instagram that is DIY shorts. From that I was left over with this scraps. So basically I'm going to make my corset belt using this scrap. So yeah, let's get into the video. But before that, if you are new here, consider subscribing and let's jump into the video. Here's the inspiration which I got from Shein.com. So to make this belt, all you need is your scraps, canvas fabric, scissor, fabric glue, pencil and hammer to fix the buttons. If you don't have these buttons at home, it's okay, you can use those simple buttons as well. Next comes the measurement of the belt, and for this I'm going to wrap my canvas fabric around my waist and just mark the length I want. Here we go. The first thing that we are going to do is to just draw the shape of the fabric you want and just cut it. After you are done with the canvas, you just have to take your scraps and just remove the stitches from one of the end. After you are done, you will get something like this. So of course we cannot use only one fabric and do our whole belt. We need to use both the scraps material. So I'm going to put them together and we'll just try to find that how I can stitch. After this, I'm going to take my pencil and just mark the shape of the canvas around the fabric by keeping 1 inch gap at least. I do not want any line to be seen on my belt, therefore I would cut as much as I can from the upper part of the fabric. And moreover, I want my belt to be of a dark color, therefore I'm just going to flip my fabric. After this, just cut the fabric and stick on the canvas using fabric glue. As you see, we are done with the front part of the belt. Now we are going to work on the back side. And for this, you can take the fabric of any size, any length. You just have to cover the area of the canvas, that's it, and you are all good to go. Last but not the least, we are going to work on the buttons, and for this I chose this type of buttons because they are mostly used in denim fabric and I thought it would look so good on belt as well. For this I'm going to do a small hole using a scissor on my belt and just going to place the button on it and finish it using hammer. And of course we are going to work on the buttonhole as well, and for this we are going to just cut the fabric where we want our button to be placed. And if you are like me who are first timer to do the buttonhole, here's 2 easy steps for you guys. Step 1. Take a needle and thread, insert the needle from the back side and pull it outward in the front end. Just repeat the process around your buttonhole. Step 2. Just insert the needle from the inside and stop it on the halfway. Here just take the thread that is attached and loop it around the needle and pull the needle outward. And repeat the process around your buttonhole and you are all done. Here's the final outcome. I paired my belt with white plain shirt just like Bollywood divas, and I cannot wait to wear it again. It looks so good and somewhat hot and sexy as well. I would love to know your replies. Did you love the outcome or not? Do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to see your replies. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm still left over with this scrap. I'm thinking to make a scrunchie out of